Today I will show you how to make a paper airplane like this. You will need a sheet of paper. Optional, a ruler. Step 1. Place the paper on the floor. Step 2. Make a crease. You can use a ruler instead of your finger to make it sharp. Unfold it out. Unfold it out. And smooth it to make it flat again. Step 3. Fold the top 2 corners down. Make it flat. Step 4. Fold the 2 slanted edges. Step 5. Fold the entire right of the paper over the left, like this. Step 6. Step 6. Fold down the top edge. Fold down the top edge. To make it flat. Okay. Step 7. Make another wings. Step 8. The final step, unfold the wings outward. And you are ready now.